Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen. Today, 5 mid-length wavy styles from 5 different brands in 5 different colors. I can't wait to show you these. Now all of these wigs are from Wig Studio 1. I will have links in the drop down box, so if you would like to go there and purchase these, just go to the drop down box of this video and there'll be links to the wigs. Now this is not a wig review. If you're new to my channel, first of all, welcome. Please like and subscribe if you would. Every once in a while I do these multiple videos where I'll show you different lengths, different styles. Sometimes I do 10 wigs in 10 minutes, sometimes all kinds of things. So if you're subscribed, be sure to turn on the bell notification and you'll get a notification every time I upload a new video. Now like I said, this is not a wig review. I've already reviewed these wigs. If you see a wig you want to know more about, which would be like details, inside of the cap, outdoor lighting, everything you need to know. I have done full reviews of these. All you have to do is put the name of the wig in the search bar of my channel, and if I have done a video on these, and I think I have on all of these, it will pop up and you can get the details. This is just a fun overview, quick look at some of these wigs. I just want to highlight these 5 that I really enjoy. Let's get started and look at 5 mid-length wavy wigs. Okay, let's start off with Beless Caliente in Root Beer Float Blonde. Now I have Caliente in at least 5 colors. I like this wig. I like the long, wavy, beachy waves of this. This is heat friendly, so keep in mind that you will need to apply heat to these ends if they start to feel a little frayed, especially in the wintertime where we wear turtlenecks and jackets and our hair rubs against our clothing a lot. You'll have to eventually apply some heat to this, so keep that in mind. But this wig, I'm going to show you some that lace fronts, mono parts. This one has all the bells and whistles. This is the hand-tied version. Okay, so it has it all. I'm going to show it to you. It has ear-to-ear lace front, hand-tied cap, polyurethane ear tabs. There's no permatease here. Look at this gorgeous hair. Just so pretty, easy to wear, has a beautiful contour, I think, on this wig, and of course the lace front is just impeccable. I think the mid-length styles are great. Like I said, in the fall and winter, I tend to pull out longer styles, and I think this one is really nice for that. The front and sides of this go from 7 to 12.5. So it has this front. I'm going to pull it down for you. Starts at 7, into the sides at 12.5. It has a 5-inch nape on this one. The back is 12.5. So it has this overall length, 5 to 12.5. It weighs 4.4 ounces. Let's talk about this color, Root Beer Float Blonde, super popular color. It is blended with all kinds of blonde, light pearl blonde, ash blonde, beige blonde, champagne blonde, platinum, all on a darker root. I think the rooting is perfect on this wig. I know a lot of people do not like rooting. I personally love rooted wigs, and this one is not overdone in any way. So this is Beless Caliente hand-tied Root Beer Float Blonde. Let me show you the inside of the cap just real quick because it's just so pretty. Like I said, it has like ear to ear. Look how far it comes, all the way to the ear with the polyurethane tabs, mono top, hand-tied cap. Now it has this little extended lace nape there, and it has pull adjusters. Now this fit me perfectly. I have a 21.25 inch head circumference. I did not have to take it in at all, so I have a good fit. And usually Beless can run a little large on me, but I feel like this one is a good fit. But this cap does have stretch. Again, if you want to see more about this, be sure just to watch my full video. Alright, another super popular style, Raquel Welch Editor's Pick. This color is Cinnabar RL 3231. Now, I own this in at least 5 colors, at least. And I'll tell you, I keep a close eye on the clearance section at Wig Studio 1. I pick up the majority of the wigs I buy from clearance. So be sure, they change that almost every day. They update it almost every day. adding new styles to it, so be sure to check that out. That is where I buy the majority of my wigs, is on clearance at Wig Studio One. Mid-length style here, lots of layers, these beautiful soft waves. So pretty. What I like about this wig too is it has this little wispy bang that's 4.5 inches. You can wear it down, you can wear it off your face. The crown is 10 1/4 on this. The sides are 9 1/4. The nape is 6.5, and the back of this is 8. So let's look at the inside of the cap real quick. So pretty. Now it has an extended lace front and a mono top. There is permatease in this wig, and we'll talk about that too. Extended nape, and I have taken this in, you can see that, so it fit me a little large, so I took it in there. And like I said, this wig has some permatease, so I want you to know that. Even though it has that mono right here, it stops about right there, and you will start to feel permatease. There's permatease right here in the crown, as we talked about. It's giving it this shape. Certainly permatease at the nape, running through the sides. Just not right, of course, in the mono feature, but in the crown back, you're going to definitely feel the permatease here. Cinnabar, a rich chestnut with warm undertones. It has highlights running through here. You will see them. They're kind of a rusty, pretty highlight. I think every once in a while you'll see some really light ones, but they are just very few of those. But this makes this a very dimensional color. It is not flat in any way. I like it. Editor's pick. This is a style I don't think gets enough love. This is Envy Dakota in Sparkling Champagne. This wavy style has this long feathered fringe. This long bang. I like that. I tend to gravitate to when I'm wearing these mid-length styles that are wavy, I like a little bit of fringe on them. I think it gives you styling options. You can pull this off your face. It has a temple to temple lace front. It has a mono part. So you could wear this all the way off, or you can wear these bangs down. You could trim these all the way across if you wanted to. There's options here with this style. There really are. There is some permatease running through this wig for sure. Definitely feel some in all through the back, through here. I think it's cute. Like I said, I just don't think it gets enough love. Now, this front is 5 1/4. The crown is 10 inches on this one. The sides are 8.75. It has an 8-inch nape. It weighs 3.33 ounces. Now, golden blonde with strawberry blonde, and it's all on this darker root. So there it is, a golden blonde. I see the strawberry blonde running through here. Again, I think I have a full review. If you want to see this in outdoor lighting and all that, just check out the review. But really a beautiful style and color. Again, let me just show you. As we said, it has temple to temple lace front, and it has a mono part. There is permatease running through there. Has a non-extended nape and pull adjusters. So yeah, I like Envy wigs. I think they make some really pretty wigs, and I just think this one is a great mid-length style. An all-time bestseller for John Renault, January, but this is the petite cap, and this color is salted caramel, which is so pretty. Again, mid-length, layered style, wavy, lots of waves, extended lace front. It has a mono top on this one. I'll show you that. It fits me great. I was so happy to get the petite cap in this. Yes, there's some permatease running through here, as it is on all of these, except the belle tress, which was hand-tied. But the rest of these do have some permatease running through them. But January's just been around a long time for good reason. This color is so pretty too. Now it has a little bang at 8 1/4 on this one. Crown is 10, sides are 6 1/4. The nape is 4 1/4 and it weighs 2.8 ounces. Show you the cap. Has this extended lace front, the mono top here so you can part it anywhere in here, open wefted, and extended felt nape. Now this color, salted caramel, so pretty. The highlighting is what just sets, to me, this color off, this beautiful highlighting. So it's a medium natural red brown. It has medium red gold blonde highlights on these shaded brown roots. Look, I just think the highlighting on salted caramel is just what makes this color. They've done it beautifully around the face. You can see how this comes out. One of my favorite Jon Renau colors. So if you haven't tried January, I would just encourage you to do so. I don't think you'll be disappointed if you like these mid-length wavies. I've showed you this style so many times. I'm going to continue to show it to you because I like it that much. Aesthetica Mellow R30 28 26. Like I have told you before, I was late to the game with Mellow. Everybody was wearing it. Everybody was trying it. I wasn't sure. I got it and I thought, okay, I see why. Out of the box, super choppy. This is super casual. To me, this is just throw on and go. Wavy, but not overly wavy. Super shaggy. I think it's great. This is another one I'm always looking for on clearance. I want to grab a couple of more of these. This is temple to temple lace front, mono part, open wefted, and it has an open nape, extended nape, and it has those clip adjusters. All right. Fits me really large though. I keep taking it in. So if you have a larger size head, this definitely will work on you. This has a 9-inch bang. The sides are 8. The crown is 12 1/2. The nape is 6 1/4 and it weighs 3.39 ounces. And this color are 30, 28, 26. Medium auburn, light auburn, blended with golden blonde. This color is so, if you're a red person, and you know I love my reds, I think you will like this one. Tell me if you've tried it, Aesthetica Mellow. I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it for you. Again, if you're new, welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe. Also, leave me comments. Do you like these type of videos where I show a lot of wigs at one time? Do you like wavy styles, mid-length styles? Let's talk about it. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.